Good morning, dear friends. I'm Dr. Dugal. I'm the Director and Head of the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology, Noble Hospital, Pune. As you all know that we all are passing through a very, very difficult time because of this COVID pandemic. Now, certain things which I have observed over the past few months, which I want to share with you. What I see is that there is a lot of fear amongst patients that if we go to Noble Hospital is full of COVID patients. So there is an increased chance of getting an infection from this situation. Now let me assure you that we are taking due precautions, whether it is our OPD, whether it is our ultrasonography room or an MRI room or a CT scan room, every single place, operation theaters, everywhere we are taking due precautions so that such a situation should never happen, and it will, I assure you, will not happen. We do take due precautions. Now, deliveries have to take place, pregnancies will take place, and pregnant patients are again very, very much scared, especially so they do not want anything to go wrong with their baby. So I request all my patients that once pregnancy is there, please do come to the hospital. Still, if you have got a lot of fear, what we have done is that we have started 2 satellite clinics, one in Emanora Polyclinic and second in Destination Center of Magarpata city. So our gynecologists are there to take care, attached laboratory is there, ultrasonography facility is there, so that you can get your basic treatment there and come for ultimate delivery to Noble Hospital, where we have state-of-the-art labor room with an attached operation theatre exclusively for emergency cesareans and an attached intensive care unit only for obstetric patients. So we have great facilities, and I do not want people to have that fear. Gynec patients also are having a lot of fear and they are not coming in spite of them having repeated episodes of bleeding. Yesterday night we had to do an emergency hysterectomy at 12 o'clock in the night because patient was bleeding profusely. Few days back we had to do an emergency ectopic pregnancy which was mismanaged and was going to some remote places and was not coming to hospital for proper consultation. Now these types of all situations can be avoided. We are diagnosing cancer in very late stages. People are not coming getting scared and now come at a late stage when we become helpless. Whereas most of our gynec malignancies can be diagnosed at much early stage and can be treated if patient come to us early. So my humble request to all you is that please do not get scared of this COVID virus, and we are taking due care in this hospital, and please do come and get your consultation as and when there is a need. Thank you.